If additional work is found during a job and that job already has the quote and ticket linked between PSQ and ServiceLink, you can simply update the quote to present a new total to the customer, and if approved, push that new quote to ServiceLink to update the already existing ticket. Let's walk through an example. We've got this quote for perform TA1 inspection on an engine. Let's say that they found that the fuel injectors need to be replaced. We can update this quote and we will walk through how to do this. First, you will want to go to the drop-down in the Overview tab, edit quote header, and change the status from 1 to open. Update this tab and you will see 1 in progress now. We will click the 1 in progress and click on the revision actions drop-down. We will copy to new revision, and now we will have 2 tabs, 1 in progress, 2 in progress. The 1 in progress we will keep as is for historical purposes and just adjust the 2 in progress. We will create a new segment for replacing the fuel injectors. Add in standard hours as if appropriate. Flat rate the labor and create. In a production environment, you will add parts to this job and the parts would flow to ServiceLink as well. Because I am in a demo environment, I don't have the ability to find the specific parts, add them to this job. So I will skip that for now and just add labor. Once we have everything saved in this quote, we can click the drop down next to Overview, change the status to Submitted, and submit this to the customer for approval. Once they come back with approval to move forward, we will then go back to the drop down next to Overview and change the quote status to 1. We will click on the second revision and hit OK. It will ask us if we want to create a new ticket, and we will click no. We want to work within the existing ticket. We will now see you have the first revision as completed historical, the second revision as 1. We will click the drop down next to Overview again and click Update Ticket. It will bring up this pop-up showing you if there are any errors or if it has updated successfully. Now we can go over to ServiceLink to our ticket and we can see that it has now brought the second segment replaced with Cat Reman unit injector into this ticket. We can see the standard hours it's brought in as well. Thank you.